Hello guys, so today I'm going to talk about something which you can implement in your life and reach to thousands of people in no time. And this is not a new thing, this is what the celebrities and the famous persons who are famous now have used and are using to get famous more. So you can do that very easily what they have done in their past. I will also show some diagrammatic representation of the same, and I will tell you all the ways how to do it and how you can implement it, and also I'll share some points so that you can do it in an effective manner at the later part of this video. So stay tuned and watch the video completely. And as always, thank you for sharing with your friends. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and thank you for commenting and liking my videos. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification icon beside it, and please share it with your friends and like my videos, and please comment. I do love to read your comments. And first of all, I would like to talk about why I am using this kind of setup for recording, why not the previous setup or the yesterday's setup. So first thing is, yesterday only I told you the place where I used to record, the place I don't have any access to right now. Why I don't have any access to? Because the light over there broke. Very good. And now today while I started recording this thing, and I tried to record this thing over here. So at that time, the place where I mount is a very basic tripod. I bought it from a market nearby. So it broke. Everything breaks in my life. I love it, man. I love it. So very good again. So that also broke. And now I don't have any support of my phone. I have my phone over here with me. I cannot use it anymore for recording. And for further things, like I also wanted to try out OBS Studio, because I'm thinking of making some tutorials in Python, Java, and MATLAB for you guys, which will be posted in my channel very soon. So I wanted to play with OBS, and I wanted to learn how OBS works. So I have made this video in OBS so that I know more about OBS, and from now on I'll be using OBS and recording my screen and sharing the content with you. If you are okay with it, please do comment about it. So I am your host Shubro. Welcome to Shubro the Geek. Let's start. So guys, as you have known, that basically humans are nothing but they make contact with other humans. Humans at most can remember 2 million faces in their lifetime. As I was telling, that humans can remember a maximum of 2 millions of faces in their lifetime. And of those 2 millions of faces, they can make connection with few faces. Like say for example 100,000 or a lakh or 2 lakhs of people. So how this connection works? So basically, when you want to share some information and you share some information with another people, you make a connection. So that's a very basic thing which you can do. And yes, this is nothing but, in other words, said as networking. This similar analogous, you can say anything, to computer networks, where computer communicate with other computers, share their information with other computer using this power. And this will be explained, and how you can achieve this with these slides or this diagrammatic representations. So very basic thing, what are the first things you need? You need some accounts on social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. So you can have thousands and thousands of connections over here, and this thousands of connections you can utilize to share your information from one place of the earth to another place of the earth, while you are sitting at the comfort of your home. So this is a very basic thing which you can do, and for that you just need a social media account. And say for example, let me give you a very basic overview of this, how you can network. So take the example of you. This circle represents yourself. So say for example, you have 5 friends, and you share some content with your 5 friends, and each of your 5 friends has 5 friends of their own, or n number of friends of their own, or any number of friends of their own. So I'm expanding this 5 number of friends, and here you share this content with this 5 friends, and this 5 friends shared their content with, say for example, 5 friends of their own. And in this process, you have shared your content 25 of the people in no time, and also at the comfort of sitting at your home. So how did you do it so fast? See, in networking, what happens? You connect with one people, and you have connections of all the connections of that people to yourself. And when you share one content to that, say for example, you share this content with this people is represented over here, and this people has connection to this people. So this contacts of this people, this person has indirectly been transferred to you. So this is the power of networking. It increases in folds, like to powers. Like over here you had 5, and in this step you had 25, and say for in the next step you will have 125, 5 times 25. So that's the power of networking. So I think remembering the multiples of 5 is much more difficult than remembering the multiples of 2. And say for example you want to remember the multiples of 2. So here is one or two conditions where, say for example, this upper circles are you, and you have 2 friends, and all of your 2 friends have a maximum of 2 friends. So when you shared a content among this guy and this guy shared with this guy and this guy shared with this guy. Similarly, when you shared it with this guy shared with this guy, and they shared it with this number of people. So by sharing your content to 2 people, you have reached a contact of 11 people over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 people in no time. Similarly for this thing. So you can reach to a multiple amount of people in no time. So where did this come from? Yes, it came from the computers only, the way computers stores data, and how this data is retrieved when you search a query or you search something. So computer stores this data in such kind of fashion, so that when you it retrieves the data in such kind of fashion, so that when you ask for the data or when you store the data, it can be done in very easily and the least amount of time. So what are the steps, what are the things which you can do to have effective networking? The number one is be polite. Being polite while you network with someone is a very basic step you can do. You should not use any foul words or any taboo words while you networking, or while you post something on social media, or while you write something on social media. This can be done very easily, and it should be followed, so that no issues whatsoever can develop in the near future. Number 2 is be sensitive about what you post. So say for example you post something which may be insulting to some sect of people, and you should not post that. You should abate from posting it, so that you are not hurting the sentiments of few people in doing so. And number 3 is liking their post and talking to them to make your presence felt to them. So very basically what you do, they share some of their contents and some of their things which they do in everyday life, and what you can do, you can like them, or you can share them and talk with them and have a personal message with them. And this way you can make your contact more reliable, that yeah, this person is there for me while on social media, not while but on social media, and this person cares for me. This gives them the feeling. And number 4 is the most important thing, is wish them on the important dates, their important achievements, and when you do this, you make them feel that they are somewhat valued, and they are some persons in the world who value them and who loves to have a contact or communication with them. And that gives them the sense of sense of presence in the world. So for now guys, how you can do this very easily, what you can do, you can share my video with all of your friends and ask them to share the same. What this will do, this will make my videos reach a lot of people who can appreciate my content like you guys, and they can also share it among their friends, so that I get maximum number of subscribers, maximum number of shares, maximum number of views, maximum number of likes very easily, and I can reach my target of 1000 subscribers by the end of July. So basically what I ask each one of you is to share this in your network. So I am asking 10 minutes. In the 10 minutes I make the video like in and around 10 minutes. So what you do, you watch my video, you share it with your friends, share it among your networks, and ask them to share, pass it forward. Like the same, what I'm talking about is what happened in the film Jai Ho, where Salman Khan told about 3 people. and I'm talking about two people and your network. Please do it so that I get to reach my goal in the least amount of time which I have expected. Thank you. So I think I have made myself clear with the power of networking and how you can use this to have the best experience of how this famous celebrities becomes famous in so less amount of time. This was my take on the same after learning about these things yesterday only. So to end this, for more contents like this, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell notification icon so that you get notified each and every time I post a new video. And please share them with your friends. Please like my videos. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell notification icon, like my video, share it with your friends. And please comment. I do love to read your comments. It's me, Shubhro the Geek, signing off.